Big up on yourself again, man. Out here today. Yeah. In our van back. Go look some material I hardware today. Tiling start. But first, I'm gonna pick up some food before I go up and go on an update on the tiling job. Yeah, man. Up on my bridging van today. I go down from the hardware. See, you have some tool. Like, you go do some work yourself. People, one of the best hands right now at all. Cement can take a toll from you. So, guys, remember to wear no protective gears whenever you guys are doing construction. See? Yeah. It's not a bad day today overall, you know. Yeah, man, the day don't look bad. And it's like 3 o'clock in the evening hours right now. I get a little bit of bad clouds, but you know, like it's gonna rain. So big up on yourself, stay tuned. So show now I go on and go on an update in the day. Yeah. Check in again, my beautiful people, man. Welcome back, man. It is officially Saturday morning here in Jamaica, and as promised, I did promise to give you guys an update. I just got my working gears on. This is what I've been working. So the clothes I'm here working from when? Yeah, so makes no sense getting 50 different clothes messed up with cement and all of that. Anyways, yeah, due to the height of the floor, it kind of been taking a bit of the tin set, a little bit extra, but that is fine. I'm not go work around it. I'm not going to try to figure out a cheaper way how to do it, which that would really help out and cut back on some dining table. That would have cut back on some of the expenses, but because of what I went through with this flooring, I not take no shortcut. If me have to wait till I have the money to finish it, then that's that. You understand? You have to make sure I say it's finished the right and proper way. See, so if you guys have been keeping up with the renovation process of this place, then you guys would have understand exactly what I'm getting at. Anyhow, let me give you guys a quick rundown of what it looks like. So this is one big tile here. This one, 4 different tile makes this design. So we have one tile which is stopping here. This is the center. So if you can see this point, you can see that 4 tiles come together right here to make that design. And me I tell you people, I've seen a lot of locals tiling their places, and those tilemen are so-called professional. I don't bash anybody, but I see some tile works wherein one tile isn't complementing the other. You understand? So the designs are a bit all over the place. See, this tile work actually took a lot out of me because one, a whole lot of people been stating that big tiles are easier to use and easier. Man, that's crap. People, the energy that it takes to lift up one of them tiles, they're heavy like a lead and they're thick. See, so they're not easily broken. So you know, say all of that compensate back for some weight. You understand what I say? So I had to let them stand on the wall and make the design. I have to pull almost every box of tile and take them out one. Organize them so that each tile complements the other. You see? Where we have the stain, brown stain design going through. It went through this one and it picks up back here. I have another one which will give us a bit of brown right here as well. And same thing goes out throughout the entire floor. See, so where we have a little brown pattern coming into this style, same way then it dissolve out. So we have it start here, then the design, but eventually it will flow back to this one. See, me and I no tile professional, and if I never stand up to make sure that this happened, maybe the tiler that came would have done the exact same thing that I didn't want. So this is sometimes when you need something done correctly or how you need it to be done, it's best to get your hands involved. See, so it's just him, no mason, no workman, no nothing. It's just him. So I am mixing the tin set. I am choosing how I want the tiles to lay out. See? Yeah. A lot of people was also stating that the proper way to do this would have been to make a center line here and lay tile from this line that way. I don't want that. I don't want that. I want when you open the door right here, the first thing you'll see is a big tile flowing straight in, and then we will work our way from there. So technically, I'm going to tile this place myself. I may have put in all the work and all of the ideas and everything, but it is what it is. Seeing, so what really I take all of the material, guys, to get back this floor on the other level of the house, because remember we have a room there that's style, I have a room there that's style. To get back this tile on that level, seeing, I don't know how much you guys can see the amount of material it's taken under this to fill those gaps. And no, these tiles here haven't yet been secured fully with tin set. So I'm just in here now laying them out, so when you come in the morning you see what needs to be done. So I'm going to get a next piece here, a next piece there, and then I'm going to get the corner ones. Hopefully the material I purchased yesterday should be enough to complete this job, because I buy extra, but this floor requires more than extra. Seeing, and right now, let's see, we have secured 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiles secured so far, and that's what, I think it's 7 bags of tin set. Yes, and I still have 3 more bags, about 10. At the store they told me to get 10 bags of tin set, but they didn't know the condition of the floor. Seeing, and about 12, but I've used 2 to do something else, doing some patchwork in here. Seeing, we used 2 for the patchwork in here and had 10, and I've already went through 7. But nevertheless, you still have to understand that one of these tiles is complementing for a smaller tile. Let's say a regular tile. Where's the tape measure? I think the original tiles that were in here before were 12 by 12. See? So let's show you guys something. See me have the tape measure here. So the original tile that was in here before. This tile now is heading almost to 24. They round it off at 24. They're just leaving space for growth. Right, so 24 is right here where my thumb is. But this tile is 5/8, 23 and 5/8. Alright, so 12 would have been right here, which would have been the center of this tile. See, and the next 12 now, you see, and we still have all the tile going out there. So guess what now? This tile here, they are very big, so I don't feel no way knowing that one tile takes a whole lot of thin set. The tile is big, so it will take the thin set. You understand? So that is the update on what is going on right now. So hope you guys like the design and the work so far. Yeah man, I use these things, other than things from Amazon. Technically, you know guys, as me say, I could have done all of this tile work myself. This thing is just to make sure that the tiles stay on one level, so I don't have any buck joints. That's what they call it in the tile world, wherein you're going this way, you would find bucking, and the reason why this is doing that is because that little gap. But if I set it the other way, smooth. Yeah, so technically right now, as soon as he come, he can start laying out these ones. I'm gonna get some more tiles in here to finish out everything else. So yeah, that is the quick update on the renovation process, and yeah, pretty much that's it. After that, I'm gonna do a full paint job in here, then I can get back my furnitures inside, which is gonna take a whole lot of cleaning. Yeah man, a whole lot of cleaning man. Get back my furnitures inside, and then I'll be using this same tile out there on the veranda, the front veranda. Yeah, so stay tuned throughout the videos, and I'll keep you guys up to date as much as I can on what is going on in this place. Yeah. Same? Yeah man, so big up on yourself.